Good morning, children. How you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed some basic topic regarding to the geometry. Now I am going to start exercise 4.3 in that chapter. Okay, let us start the class. Exercise 4.3. See the first one. Name each figure. Name each figure and write its symbol. Name each figure and write its symbol. And write its symbol. Name each figure and write its symbol. So you have to name the figure and you have to show that figure with what symbol they will show us. Okay, see the first one. OP. We call this as it has two endpoints. We call it as a line segment. How you can show this? You can show it as OP with that figure, with a small figure with that. Okay, like that we can show it. See the next one. Second one. There are 2 points on this figure. So if you see this, what type of figure it is, children? It is look like a line. It look like a line. So we took 2 points on that line. Now we call it as a line. What is this name of this figure? Line. So it is represented as AB line. So AB like that. Okay. See the next one, the third one. X comma y. X comma y. What it shows for us? See. X comma y. What are these two? It ends with 2 endpoints. So 2 endpoints means it is nothing but line segment. Nothing but line segment. Its name is X, Y. And you have to show with the symbol. See the fourth one, Nana. What we call this one? Dot made by a sharp edged pencil. We call it as point. What is the name of this point? X. We used to indicate the point X. See the next one, Amma. M and N they given with one end point and second side it goes on and second side it goes on and they given first end point as M and they took another end point as N. And they are asking what is the name of this figure. What is the name of this figure? It is a part of line. It extends only in one direction. We call it as a ray. We call it as a ray. And you have to show that symbol MN symbol. Okay. See the sixth one, Nana. And with 2 points on the Q or what we call this one. First one we call it as what is this? It has no endpoints given. So it has no endpoints given. So we call it as line and it is shown as Q or with the symbol. Q or with the symbol. See the next one, Amma. Two more figures are there here. Seventh one. This is a figure. It is a line set. It is also part of line. It extends only in one direction. It extends only in one direction and that is this direction. So what we call this figure? We call this figure as ray. And how you will show this ray? And this side it goes on. See the eighth one, Nana. One more figure they given. A small dot made by the sharp edged pencil was given. They are asking what is this figure? We call it as a point and it is indicated as point A. It is indicated as point A. See the next one, children. And here they given 4 figures and they are asking us to draw the line segments and vertices for this figure. Okay, see that. See that. Look at the figure. Look at the figures below. Look at the figures below. Name the line segments in each figure. Name the line segments in each figure. In each figure. And also the points. And also the points. And also the points. And also the points at which they meet. At which they meet. Okay, what the question they given? Look at the figures below and you have to say the name of the figure and name the line segments in each figure and also points at which they meet. That means you have to say the corners. Corners means where the two lines meet. That is called corner. Yes, na? See the first figure. No? See this figure. It is the triangle PQR. PQR. It is the figure and they are asking us to write the it is the figure, it looks like a triangle and they are asking us to write the line segments. What are the line segments in that? See P to Q, one line segment PQ, next QR, okay children, see what is this figure, what are the line segments for that P, Q, QR and RP. See the next one, what are the, after writing the line segments in each figure and they ask us to write the points at which they meet. Which they meet means what you have to write, you have to write the corners or vertices. What are the corners here? P and here Q and R. Okay, see the next figure. See the next figure. What is this figure look like? M and OP. It's a quadrilateral and they are asking what are the line segments and what are the corners. Okay. See what are the line segments are there here? M to N, one line segment. Next N to O, one line segment. O to P, one line segment. P to M, one line segment. So what are the corners here to write it? What are the corners, Amma? M, N, O, P are the 4 corners in that figure. Okay, see the next two. Third one. They are asking us to write the line segments of this figure. What are the line segments are there? AB, next BC, next CD, and then DA. These are the line segments, and they are asking us to write the corners. What are the corners are they? Here, corner means where two lines meet it. What are the corners here? A, B, C, D. 4 edge points. That means corner points. We have to write it as corners. Okay, see the next one, Amma. Fourth one. E, F, G, H, and they are asking what are the line segments and how many are the corners in that. What are the line segments are there, children? Right? E, F, F, G, G, H, H, E. These are the line segments. And the corners, how many corners are there? 4 corners are there. What are those? E, F, G, H. These are the 4 corners. Okay, these are the 4 corners. Like that you have to write. Okay, ma? That like that we have to write the corners and the line segments of the given figure and the line segments of the given figure. Okay. In the next class, I will tell you how to draw the line segments and how can we measure the length of the line segments. We will discuss later in the next class. Okay, children. Till then, goodbye.